Focus AI voice and text commands. Topic: Report Designer and export to Excel. Reporting shouldn't feel like designing a blueprint. In most systems, building the right report means navigating a complex designer, adding and removing fields, and repeating the process every time. But what if creating, customizing and exporting reports was as simple as having a conversation? Let's begin with a simple request: show sales. Need more details? Let's add some columns. Add columns, rate, discount. Instantly, the report expands with the new fields. Remove what you don't need, delete column discount. Keep only what you need, your data, your way. Now let's group the data. Show by department, by customer. Done in a second. And here's the real magic. Why repeat these steps every time? Just say, save as report named AI Sales Report. Your customized view is saved as Report Designer, ready to use whenever you need it. Now, what if I tell you, exporting this report is just a simple command away? Let me show you. Just ask save as Excel report named AI Sales Report. Done, it's downloaded instantly. Quick, simple, shareable. That's reporting redefined with Focus AI, where your data not only listens to you, but it also works for you.